my YouTube channel. On this video, I would like to describe an application that is useful for teacher and student learning interaction in distant learning. Now, for the first, I want to explain about distant learning. Distant learning is also called distant education, electronic learning, or online learning. Form of education in which the main elements include physical separation of teacher and students during instruction and the use of various technology to facilitate student and teacher communication. Well, there's a lot of blended learning support application like WA Group, Telegram Group, or Google Classrooms, but on this video, I would like to explain application of Google Classrooms. Well, without a long time, don't skip this video and let's check it out.
Google Classrooms is a free web service developed by Google for School that aims to simplify creating, distributing, and grading assessment. The primary purpose of Google Classrooms is to streamline the process of sharing files between teachers and students. It is estimated between 40 to 100 million users use Google Classrooms. Google Classroom integrates Docs, Sheets, Slides, Gmail, and Calendar into a cohesive platform to manage student and teacher communication. Students can be invited to join a class through a private code or automatically imported from a school domain. Teacher can create, distribute, and mark assessment all within the Google ecosystem. Each class creates a separate folder in the respective user drive where the student can submit work to be graded by a teacher. Assignment and due dates are added to Google Calendar. Each assessment can belong to a category or topic. Teacher can monitor the progress for each student by reviewing revision history of a document, and after being graded, teachers can return work along with comment. Features of Google Classroom is Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms, Google Sites, Gmail, and more together to help educational institutions go to a paperless system. Advantage of Google Classroom is number 1, assessment. Assessments are stored and graded on Google suite of productivity applications that allow collaboration between the teachers and the student or student to student. Number 2, grading. Google Classroom supports many different grading schemes. Teachers have the option to attach files to the assessment which students can view, edit, or get an individual copy. Number 3, communication. Announcement can be posted by teacher to the class trends which can be commented on by student, allowing for two-way communication between teacher and student. Number 4 is Originality Report. Originality Report was introduced in January 2020. It allows educators and students to see the parts and sections of the submitted work which contain the exact or similar wording to that of another source. Number 5, mobile application. Google Classroom mobile apps introduced in January 2015 are available for iOS and Android device. Due to the prominence of Google, students find Google Classroom easy to navigate since many are familiar with Google Layout. Furthermore, the mobile app for Google Classroom function well, which has been praised by students. If notifications are enabled, the mobile app for Google Classroom can remind students of upcoming deadlines, a feature that has been received well by students. Among Classroom disadvantages, the review highlights the service-heavy integration of Google and service with limited or not support for external file or service. Thank you.
Wow, it's amazing. Well, that is all that I can tell. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!